In today's video, I'll show you how you can record your presentation in Canva. So let's get started. So here I am in Canva in my presentation. So from here is that to record this, we need to click here on present on the top right. When we do that, we will now be prompted in here. So you can go for present in full screen. You could go for presenter review, but what we want is this one, present and record. And then you want to select that, and then you'd be able to see that you can also record yourself right here as you present. Click here on next, and from here you can click on go to recording studio. And after that, you would want to allow the browser right here to, or Canva, to use your camera and your microphone, and allow right there. And then from here, you'd now be able to select your devices. So as for this one, you can select the camera and then the microphone and click on start recording once you are ready, and it will now start counting down. And as you can see, I am now currently recording, and then you would now be able to see it right here. And we have the time in here. And then you should also be able to have your camera circle in here, where you could drag them across the presentation, just so that you'd be able to position it clearly without distracting the audience from the presentation. But we don't have that because we didn't enable the camera. Once you're done, click here on end recording. You could also pause if you're not ready to end yet. And then once you end it, it will now be uploading into your Canva account, and then you'd be able to see that later on. As you can see, recording is ready. You can now download this, or you could just save and exit. So I'm just going to save and exit. So yeah, that is basically it. That's how easy you can record yourself presenting in Canva. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.